Welcome to Elon University. Join us on a tour of IT student-facing services across campus, where innovation supports our community and provides IT experiences through student employment. Nestled in the lobby of Allen Hall is Maker Hub Colonnades. Level up your skills, portfolio, or just make something cool with free access to 3D printers, sewing machines, and craft supplies. No experience required. Teaching and learning technologies and media services can be found on the first floor of Belk Library. Enter through the Königsberger Learning Center or by using the main entrance from Young Commons. At Teaching and Learning Technologies, get support with Canvas, Microsoft, Adobe, and more. With media services, check out cameras, mics, laptops, and more for class or creative projects at no cost. Phoenix Card Services is located at Oaks McCoy Commons. More than just replacement IDs, Phoenix Card Services also offers passport photos, so you're ready to travel, study abroad, or apply for internships. At the Maker Hub downtown, on the third floor of Elon Town Center, design, build, and bring ideas to life with 3D printers, laser cutters, and power tools, with help ready when you need it. The Gear Room resides in the McEwen Building, home of the School of Communications. Lights, cameras, mics, tripods, everything comm students need to create professional content. The Technology Service Desk is located in downtown Elon. Whether you need tech help with Wi-Fi, printing, or software support, our team is here to keep it running smoothly. Chat online, call, or submit a ticket. Thanks for flying with Elon University.